Hello, this is Shayan Gofrani, and this is my project for Comp 541. I would turn the camera over, but for some reason it won't let me while I'm recording. I did a painting app. As you can see here, let me see if I can turn it. Maybe this will be better. This is the cursor in the middle, and in the lower left corner is the colors you can choose. So you control it but with WASD. So this is intuitive, so like left and right, up and down. So right here, if you go left, you can go down, right, up, and everything. But one issue that you could come across is like, for example, you want a different color, which you select by going over it. So I'm over the brown color right now. And if I press shift, it should pick the color. And it'll also make a sound for when it picks a color. One issue that you could kind of come across is that maybe you want to go on this side of the board, but you already drew things over here, and you don't want to overwrite it with a new color. So one thing you can do is press enter, and that'll make your cursor start blinking, which means now you can go over all of the other colors. And so now let's say we want to pick a different color. We want to come and do let's say the pink one. We press shift, picks the color, and let's say we want to color inside the black area. We press enter again, and now that it's solid, we can draw again. Another thing, since this was a painting app and it was fairly basic, and there's like no randomness to it, so I wanted to add like a Easter egg. So if you come down here and pick the red, by pressing shift, and let's go up. Let's actually do it this way. Press enter. Let's go up. So if you place a red, let me press enter. If you place a red in the lower left, you'll see over here that the LED lights up. You come down, let's press enter again. Come down, then we gotta, so then we pick the blue color. And we go to the upper right corner. Sorry, this is kind of, this part is the one that takes a little bit to show. But it is an Easter egg, so you have to find it. So let's press enter and draw in the corner. And as you can see, the LED change, and this is in binary, so that is the number 2. That means the second second part of the Easter egg has been found. Then if we come down here, pick the green color. Then this is going to be the lower right. So as we'll see, this will turn into the number 3. And then, so like here's a good example of when you would want to use the cursor. As you can see, you can't really tell where you are. So if you press enter, now you can see where you are. And the last color is the yellow. Let's pick that. Start drawing, and here's the Easter egg. It will start placing all of the characters over the screen. And as soon as it finishes doing the whole screen, it'll wait 1 second, and then it will go back to the whiteboard, and you can start drawing all over again. So I guess the hardest part for this project for me was the the cursor, definitely, that took the longest. Just because logically you had to like keep track of different colors and make sure you replace them in the right place. And I think the most fun part was the challenge because we built this whole thing like by ourselves, and it's kind of cool to see your game run on it. So let's wait for this. For any bugs that there might have been, I couldn't find any, but one thing that I would like to have changed is that once you're on the eraser, which is this character right here that looks different from everything else, I wanted to make it so that would also start blinking, but it really wouldn't work with the way I have it set up. So if I were to do it all over again, then I would probably change that. And as you can see, the screen went back to white and you can draw all over again. Alright, thank you, and that's my project.